My name is Tony. I'm a retired military officer. I live in Independence, Missouri. My son purchased this weapon for me as a birthday gift last year, and I've had the opportunity to carry it as my conceal and carry weapon for the last several months. The problems I had with my previous conceal and carry weapon was the fact that when it was holstered and tucked into my my waistband on my pants, it printed quite significantly and was easily a person could easily tell that I was carrying a concealed weapon. However, this weapon fits into my pocket, and it's the size of a large cell phone. They can't tell, the average person couldn't tell that I was even carrying a weapon. This has helped me considerably here recently, because I can still carry with this in my pocket and no one can tell that I'm carrying. What surprised me about this weapon is how smooth and how easily deployable it is, and the action on the trigger. It's a single stage trigger. It's not a two-stage like most striker fired weapons, and it is very dependable. I've put about 300 rounds through it without a single misfire or misfeed. Quite impressive. I give my full support and recommendation for anyone that would be considered carrying a concealed weapon. This is a full-size weapon. You can get hands on it real easy, hold on to it, and it's quite easily aimed and fired. Thank you very much.